In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bookmarks on Google Chrome. If your bookmarks bar or bookmarks list is starting to feel cluttered, removing old or unnecessary bookmarks is a simple way to keep Chrome organized and easier to use. This is especially helpful if you've saved a lot of pages over time and want to clean things up so you can find the sites you actually use much faster. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access a variety of settings and tools. From that menu, move your cursor to Bookmarks. This will open the Bookmarks options available in Chrome. In that section, click Bookmark Manager. The Bookmark Manager is the area where Chrome stores and displays all of your saved bookmarks in one place, making it much easier to review and manage them than trying to delete them one by one from the Bookmarks bar. Once you're in the Bookmark Manager, you'll see the full list of your bookmarks. Depending on how many you've saved, you may also see folders that help organize them. Take a moment to look through the list and find the bookmark you want to remove. This is useful if you only want to delete certain saved pages instead of clearing out everything. When you find the bookmark you want to delete, click the three dots next to that bookmark. A small menu will appear with additional options for that item. From there, click Delete. As soon as you do that, the bookmark will be removed from your Chrome bookmarks list. If you want to clean up more bookmarks, you can simply repeat the same process for each one. Just click the three dots beside the bookmark and select Delete. This method gives you control over exactly what stays and what gets removed, which is perfect if you only want to keep your most important or frequently visited links. And that's all it takes to delete bookmarks on Google Chrome. It's a quick and easy process that can make your browser feel much cleaner and more organized. If you're managing a lot of saved pages, spending a few minutes in the Bookmark Manager can really improve your browsing experience and help you stay more efficient while using Chrome.